Okay, now that we've mastered the overhand knot, as we can see, we have one tied in each piece. The next one we're going to tie is called a square knot or a reef knot. And what it's used for is to join two ropes of the same diameter together. So you can use it to tie two ropes together, bearing in mind that anytime you tie a knot in a rope, you're going to reduce that rope strength by 50%. Not super important to you guys right now, but it's a good thing to know. As soon as you tie a knot in a rope, you're weakening it by 50%. The pinch point will cause it to break half again as fast. Okay, so I want you guys to understand that. But this is a good way to do it. This knot well, we'll show you first, then I'll explain what else can be used for. We have two different colors of rope so that you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to take my left hand, I'm going to cross the ropes, I'm going to put my left rope over top of the right rope. I'm going to take the right rope, the same piece, and go back over the left. What we want here, you want to make sure that your ropes are still following the same course. What they should do, they should slide in and out of each other just like this. Okay, you pull it tight and you have your ropes joined together. I'm going to tie it again. I'll untie this and tie it again for you guys. So we have left hand, right hand. When I'm tying these knots, you guys, I'm right-handed, so that's going to have a lot in mind. You're just going to have a little bit of a bearing. So left over right, right all the way over, and then right, the same one, over the left, and we're going to wind up with this knot, the square knot or the reef knot. So when you think about it, since we use it to join two ropes of similar diameter, this is also the knot that I'm going to use to tie my prusik loops. So I can also create a loop in a rope. So I'm going to go left over right, right over left. I'm going to wind up with the same knot we just tied. It should slide smoothly. As you can see, the two loops just pass through each other. So that's how I tie those knots. That's how I tie my prusik loops.